Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered how to keep your kidneys in top-notch condition? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of kidney health and discover the 5 essential vitamins you need to know about to keep these vital organs in tip-top shape. So stick around because your kidneys are going to thank you for it. Hey there, health-conscious folks! Today, we're delving into the topic of kidney health, something that often doesn't get the attention it deserves. Your kidneys are vital organs that silently perform crucial functions, and taking care of them is essential for your overall well-being. Why is kidney health so important, you ask? Well, your kidneys filter waste, regulate fluid balance, and help control blood pressure. Plus, they play a crucial role in maintaining proper mineral balance in your body. In short, they're unsung heroes that keep you feeling your best. But here's the exciting part. You have the power to support your kidneys by ensuring you get the right nutrients. In this video, we're uncovering the 5 essential vitamins that can be your kidneys' best buddies, helping prevent kidney disease and maintaining their health. So, whether you're proactively safeguarding your kidneys or just want to make healthier choices, keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the vitamins your kidneys need to thrive. Let's jump right in. Now, let's dive into the first powerhouse vitamin on our list. Vitamin A. This nutrient is a crucial player when it comes to kidney health. Vitamin A supports your kidneys by helping to regulate the production of urine, promoting proper kidney function, and reducing the risk of kidney stones. So, where can you find this kidney-friendly vitamin? Vitamin A is abundant in a variety of foods. Some of the best sources include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens. You can also get your vitamin A fix from dairy products, eggs, and liver. And don't forget about vibrant fruits like mangoes and apricots. For optimal kidney health, it's important to ensure you're meeting your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, varies based on your age and gender, but for most adults, it's around 700 to 900 micrograms of retinal activity equivalents, RAE, per day. Keep in mind that it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine your specific vitamin needs. Now, let's talk about the consequences of not getting enough vitamin A. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to kidney problems, as it may impair the kidney's ability to effectively filter waste and maintain proper fluid balance. So, ensuring you get enough vitamin A not only supports your overall health, but also helps safeguard your kidneys from potential issues. Incorporating vitamin A-rich foods into your diet can be a tasty way to support your kidney health. But remember, balance is key, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Now that we've covered vitamin A, let's move on to our next essential kidney-friendly nutrient. Now let's turn our attention to vitamin C, another essential vitamin that can be a game changer for kidney health. Vitamin C is renowned for its antioxidant properties, which play a pivotal role in preventing kidney disease. These antioxidants help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of kidney damage and disease. So, where can you find this kidney-friendly vitamin? Luckily, vitamin C is found in a wide range of delicious foods. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are well-known sources. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are also packed with vitamin C. And don't forget about veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. To reap the benefits for your kidney health, you should aim for a daily intake of vitamin C. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for adults typically ranges from 65 to 90 milligrams per day, but it can vary depending on factors like age and gender. Always consult with a healthcare professional to determine your specific vitamin needs. Now let's explore how vitamin C supports your kidneys. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, which, if left unchecked, could lead to kidney damage. Additionally, vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based sources, which can reduce the risk of kidney stones. Incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet not only adds a burst of flavor, but also provides essential protection for your kidneys. So don't forget to stock up on those citrus fruits and veggies to keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Now, let's move on to our next vital nutrient for kidney health. Now, let's shine a spotlight on vitamin D and its crucial connection to kidney health. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. It plays a vital role in maintaining not only strong bones but also the health of our kidneys. So, where can you find this sunshine vitamin in your diet? While sunlight is a natural source, you can also get vitamin D from foods. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources. Additionally, fortified foods such as fortified dairy products, orange juice, and cereals can contribute to your vitamin D intake. To ensure optimal kidney health, you should aim for a daily intake of vitamin D. The recommended daily allowance (RDA) for adults typically ranges from 600 to 800 international units (IU) per day, although it may vary depending on factors like age and individual needs. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine your specific requirements. Now let's discuss what happens when you don't get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to various issues, including compromised kidney function. In fact, vitamin D is essential for the kidneys to properly regulate calcium and phosphorus levels in the body. Without enough vitamin D, your kidneys may struggle to keep these minerals in balance, potentially leading to kidney stones or even kidney disease. Ensuring you have sufficient vitamin D is not only important for your bone health, but also for your kidneys. So consider including vitamin D-rich foods in your diet and getting some safe sun exposure to support both your overall health and your kidney function. Now let's move on to our next critical nutrient for kidney health. Now let's talk about vitamin E, a powerhouse nutrient that brings a world of benefits to your kidneys. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, which can significantly benefit kidney health. Antioxidants help protect your kidneys by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, ultimately promoting optimal kidney function. So, where can you find this kidney-loving vitamin? Fortunately, vitamin E is found in a variety of delicious foods. Nuts like almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds are rich sources of vitamin E. You can also get it from leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as from vegetable oils like sunflower and safflower oil. To harness the benefits for your kidneys, it's important to meet your daily recommended intake of vitamin E. The recommended daily allowance (RDA) for adults is typically around 15 milligrams per day, but individual needs may vary. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help you determine your specific requirements. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into how vitamin E works its magic for your kidneys. As an antioxidant, vitamin E helps prevent cell damage by neutralizing free radicals, which can accumulate due to factors like a poor diet or environmental toxins. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E plays a crucial role in safeguarding your kidneys from potential harm and maintaining their health. Incorporating vitamin E-rich foods into your diet is not only delicious, but also a great way to ensure your kidneys receive the protection they need. So don't forget to enjoy those nuts, leafy greens, and vegetable oils to keep your kidneys thriving. Now let's move on to our final essential nutrient for kidney health. Our final stop on this journey to kidney health is vitamin K, an often overlooked but crucial nutrient. Vitamin K plays a vital role in maintaining kidney health by helping regulate blood clotting and supporting overall blood vessel health within the kidneys. So, where can you find this unsung hero of kidney health? Vitamin K is abundant in several foods. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are some of the richest sources. You can also get vitamin K from broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and other cruciferous vegetables. Additionally, some animal-based foods like liver and egg yolks contain vitamin K2, which is another form of this essential nutrient. To ensure your kidneys receive the benefits of vitamin K, it's important to meet your daily recommended intake. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for vitamin K varies depending on factors like age and gender, but for most adults, it's typically around 90 to 120 micrograms per day. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Now let's delve into why vitamin K is so crucial for your kidneys. Beyond its role in blood clotting and blood vessel health, vitamin K may also help prevent the calcification of blood vessels within the kidneys. This is significant because calcification can reduce kidney function and increase the risk of kidney disease. Incorporating vitamin K-rich foods into your diet is not only a tasty endeavor, but also a smart choice for maintaining proper kidney function. So, don't forget to load up on those leafy greens and other vitamin K sources to support your kidney health. With that, we've covered the 5 essential vitamins that can help you on your journey to kidney wellness. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of the essential vitamins we've discussed today: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. By including these nutrients in your diet and ensuring you meet the recommended daily intakes, you can take significant steps towards safeguarding your kidneys and promoting overall health. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on maintaining your health. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on your nutritional needs. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to your kidney health. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the 5 essential vitamins that can help you safeguard your kidneys and prevent kidney disease. We've covered vitamin A, which supports kidney function, vitamin C with its powerful antioxidant properties, vitamin D, crucial for regulating calcium, vitamin E, another potent antioxidant, and finally, vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium-related kidney issues. These vitamins can make a significant difference in your kidney health journey. Now that you know the importance of these vitamins, I encourage you to make a conscious effort to include them in your daily diet. Eating a balanced and varied diet rich in these essential nutrients can go a long way in promoting not only kidney health, but your overall well-being. Remember, while these vitamins can be incredibly beneficial for your kidneys, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or concerns about your kidney health. Your healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. Before we sign off, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you for joining us today. Your health is a top priority, and we're here to provide you with valuable information to support your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on staying healthy. Your support means the world to us. Here's to your kidney health and a vibrant, healthy life ahead. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.